Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to talk about some of the very important stuff about ticker symbol HCMC, Healthier Choices Management Corp. I'm going to share some of the very important information about the rights offering within your online trading account, how you can get the job done on your own. I'm going to share some of the very important update that HCMC shared just before few hours, and you should be able to also see some of the changes that will show up into your online trading brokerage account, whether you are using 3D Ameritrade or you're using maybe Fidelity or any other brokerage platform. Before I do that, I want to say click on the like button if you haven't already. Your like is very much appreciated. It will ensure that this video and information can reach to more and more people. We want to spread the word out and make this pretty easy for the community and for the existing shareholders. So your like is very much appreciated. Also, click on the subscribe button as well, because I've been sharing a lot more information that is time sensitive. If you want to know just in no time, at the right time, that you can take the advantage of the situation, of the circumstances, and make informed financial decisions, you should click on the subscribe button as well, and you can turn on the notification bell as well. Now let's talk about HCMC. Now, if you already hold HCMC prior to the record date, which is May 18th, you should be able to see something like this. Now, before I go there, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm doing a lot more research and I'm not responsible. So do your own due diligence and analysis before you invest your funds anywhere into any crypto, any stock that we discuss on this channel, because at the end of the day, you want to ensure that your investment is going on according to what you plan for your financial future. I'm here to share the information and put the word out as to what I find and what is my personal opinion, and this video is just for entertainment purpose only. Now let's take a look. Healthier Choices Management provided additional update with respect to the rights offering and online trading platforms. This just came out before a few hours, and they got a high volume inquiry from the shareholders as well, and what they have said is the participation with its rights offering, or rights offering in other words, through the online platforms, you can get the job done on your own. You should be able to see 422RGT019 into your brokerage account for HCMC's rights offering that begin to appear into the online trading platforms. So if you're using any online trading platforms, you should be able to see once you sign in and click on your positions. The RTG019, 422RGT019 designation, typically accompanied by the 25% of the equal quantity of what you have or whatever the owner's position in HCMC on and prior to the record date of May 18, 2021. And how it looks like, let me share how it looks like right here. You would be able to see something like this, 422RGT019. Underneath that, it will say something like Healthier Choices, RTS, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. And here then there will be an amount which is 75,000 shares. Now what it's represent is 25% of the total holding. So in this case, for this particular owner or for this account, the owner must have about 300,000 shares before the record date, because 75,000 is 25% of 300,000. I hope it clarifies a little bit for you. If you do the math on your own, you can figure it out as well. It says expire on June 3rd, 2021, which is when it may be subject to change. Whatever your online brokerage account shows, just refer to that and defer to that as well. This 25% quantity represents account owner's amount of the basic subscription rights. However, investors who wish to exercise their oversubscription rights and purchase more than the quantity that should contact their online trading platform's customer service department. So call the 800 number or whatever the contact helpline that you have for your brokerage account, and they should be able to help you out as well. I just wanted to share this information because many viewers and subscribers asked me yesterday as well to cover this, what exactly this is, what should they be looking for in their online account, and how they can get it done on their own without doing the paperwork, without calling other people, as the online trading brokerage platform as well. But I would recommend definitely call your brokerage account because they can help you, walk you through, and you don't make mistakes, just to avoid mistakes later on. In the upcoming days, Hcmc says they expect the online platforms to make available necessary forms to participate in the rights offering as well as their specific instructions for making investments. Once those forms and instructions become available, you should first direct your questions to your online trading platform customer service department if you're interested in participating in the rights offering. If you still have unanswered questions regarding the rights offering after speaking to your online trading platform customer service department, you should then contact the company's subscription Broadreach corporate issuance by this phone number available here. You can search this on Yahoo Finance as well. Unless extended by the company, the rights offering will end on June 3rd, 2021, which is why we see here 06/03/2021, which is until that time this rights offering will be valid, available, and showing up into your account based on this article. But once again, call your brokerage account, the customer service, if you have more questions. You can also call this particular company that the Hcmc has hired to get to provide more information. And you can exercise your basic options, subscription rights and oversubscription rights, along with the subscription and oversubscription payment that must be received in order to allow them through the time period with the documents and payments. The rights offering begin made to pursuant to the company's effective registration statement S1 that we covered in my previous video. So you want to take a look. If you really want to find out, watch my previous video. You can get more information, and you definitely should read all the prospectus and the documents that is available and whatever is filed with the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission, and you can get more information. So once again, this is something you should see in your brokerage account, and for more information, call your online trading brokerage customer service. Now, how Hcmc is trading, pretty flat as you can see, goes to 15, goes to 17, and it is closing at 0016. For 5 days, it is down 3%. Pretty much flat, not really going up or not going down. The volume is a little bit lower in my opinion, 2.51 billion, but it is holding the price. It is lower than the average volume of 3.73 billion. But however, the price is holding pretty good. If you take a look at the short volume, there is still significant short volume in my opinion. The short volume is 1.2 billion, so that represents a pretty good number in my opinion. So there is a pretty significant short volume that can hopefully go up and down, and we'll see the fluctuation in the price. We have seen that in the past as well. There's a strong community and Hcmc army behind it. There is a strong momentum, social support on Reddit. This is definitely one of the most talked stock on the community, and it has a massive social support as well. Now, looking into it further, as you can see, the volume is lower than the average volume we already talked about, and the way the price is looking, it is pretty stable as well. It is trading between 15 and 17 levels. If you take a look at the chart, we went all the way high to 0065 level in February, and since then we got back down with the market sell-off. We tried going back up, but we could not beyond 0035 on the Hcmc day. From there we got back down, and we cut in half about 0.0016 level, and what we see right here is there is a red candle. But if you take a look at the 5-day chart, you will see a little better overview. Whenever there is more volume, it goes higher, as you can see right here, 0017. The RSI is looking pretty healthy, 47, not an overbought, not an oversold condition. MACD is looking pretty good as well. The blue line is above the orange line, which is an indicator or the signal in terms of the MACD. So this is something I like to see in terms of MACD, in terms of RSI, that can potentially help the price to go in positive direction. In this case, since we don't really have a huge volume, it is hard to predict because we have a couple of catalysts coming up as well. One is the judge is going to rule on the motion to dismiss that Philip Morris has filed. Now, if it gets rejected, which will be in benefit for Hcmc, and many people are hoping that should be the case. I'm not a lawyer, not a financial advisor, but what I'm trying to say is if it turns out that the judge is rejecting the motion to dismiss, which means the lawsuit will be on the floor, both the companies will have to come together and start putting their case together and discuss how the combustion work for IQOS product. Philip Morris has spent more than $3 billion into this IQOS product. They have millions of users every single day of IQOS, so they cannot really afford to take that product out of the market. in exchange, they will have to sit down with Hcmc to discuss what could be potential alternative. Now, in that case, that could be some sort of settlement, some royalty, some lump sum settlement amount. We'll see how that works out, but it should be significant because Hcmc has a very low market cap. The market cap of Hcmc, as you can see, is lower than $500 million. So even if they do, there is a $1 billion number that is out in the market, some rumors that there could be a settlement of $1 billion as well. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm not sure if it's 500 million, I'm not sure even if it's what number is that, but it will be somewhat significant because there is a smaller market cap that Hcmc has. So I wanted to share this information with you, looking at RSI, looking at MACD, looking at definitely their revenue that they had in previous quarter, 3.47 million, pretty impressive revenue. The company's CEO and the board has been pretty much looking out as to what the community thinks. They have the best interest for the common shareholders as well. We'll be able to see how this plays out in terms of the rights offering. Company is trying to raise $100 million in capital, and they're going to use that for the expansion of their current business to make sure that their IP in portfolio, the patent portfolio, expands as well, and some good projections for the future of the company. I wanted to share this information because many of you requested this, and especially I wanted to share this 422RGT019 that you see in your online trading account. Go take a look. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. The community will help out as well. I'll try to get to all the comments, but with the time crunch, I'm not able to get to all of them. But thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.